Okay guys, it's me. I'm just gonna do it in here. I'm gonna see how long this monitor will go before it starts shutting off. I gotta get a fucking power board for it. So power board and it's getting weak, so let's see if this thing even fires. See if I got my polarity on my wires right. Ooh, cool. Turn this on. That shouldn't even coming on. That ain't good. Oh, there it goes. We're rocking and rolling. Cool. Doing updates. So, I mean, Windows 7 of course, I mean, that's just a beautiful case. Don't have anything on the display, but it's alright. Gotta restart again, so. One's for the CPU, the other's for the hard drive. So. Cool. As I said, I gotta finish hooking up the rest of the fans. I only got one fan hooked up. It's one in the front and one on the side. So. Can't wait till tomorrow. My cap's coming in for this board for the TV. Can't wait till I get that fixed. This television, the Aki 32-inch television. One cap popped and it popped pretty much the rest of them on both boards, so I'm going to rebuild both boards. I replaced 3 caps on this one already. These 3, or 4 caps, these 3 and this cap here. So they were swollen. Boards are currently at my work right now. There we go. Remind me later to go away. Sony. So, the Pentium 4 CPU, 2.6 gigahertz, 2 gig of RAM. It's a 500 gig hard drive, but I think my old roommate, he just partitioned it at 250 gig. So he is the one who put all this stuff on here, so enough of that. Now all I need to do is get me a capture card. I can use this as my security deal. I got a camera I'm gonna mount in my freaking apartment somewhere. I'm gonna get more cameras to go outside. So anyways, well, this concludes this video, this project. Even though all the stickers say AMD on the front, it's actually got an Intel processor in it. So, well guys, I'll see y'all later.